Hi boys and girls, I am Aliya Kariva. I am your English language teacher and welcome to our English language lesson. Well, today we are going to talk about television. We are going to learn new vocabulary on topic television. We are going to do the TV quiz, learn key phrases to express opinion, and of course, practice giving opinion with key phrases. Let's have a look. What words we have today? You can see on the screen a remote control. Remote control is a noun. It is a device or mechanism for controlling something from a distance. Remote control. The stress is on the second syllable. Repeat after me, please. Remote control. Remote control. What do we have now? We have a presenter. Presenter is a noun. It is a person who introduces the items in a particular program. Presenter. The stress is on the second syllable. Presenter. Repeat after me, please. Presenter. Presenter. Now you can see participants. A participant is a noun. It is a person who takes part in an activity. Participant. Stress is on the second syllable. Participant. Repeat after me, please. Participant. On the screen, you can see participants of the song contest. Now you can see a viewer. Viewer is a noun, a person who looks at something. On the screen, you can see viewers of a television program. A viewer. Viewer. Repeat after me, please. Viewer. The stress is on the first syllable. Now, you can see a broadcast. To broadcast, it is a verb. It means spread information to become widely known. Broadcast. Broadcast. Stress is on the first syllable. Repeat after me, please. Broadcast. Broadcast. Now you can see an advert. Advert is a noun. It is a public promotion of some product or service. Advert. The stress is on the first syllable. Repeat after me, please. Advert. Advert. Good job, guys. Now, let's do the TV quiz. You can see words in blue in the TV quiz. The words are audience, program, show, channel, character, broadcast, advert, screen, cameras, remote control, participant, viewer, presenter. I want you first put these words in the correct column. You can see 3 columns on the screen: equipment, people, on TV. You have 1 minute to put the words, which are in blue in the TV quiz, in the correct list. Start now. So now, let's check your answers. Equipment, for example, the word screen, and what are other words? Camera, remote control. Good job. What about people? We have the word audience here. What are your words? Character, participant, viewer, presenter. Excellent. What about the third column? On TV, we have episode. What are your words? Program, show, channel, broadcast, advert, series. Excellent. Okay, now let's do one more practice exercise. In this exercise, I want you to complete the sentences with the words in the box. The words are adverts, character, episode, remote control, screen, series. You need to read the sentence and decide which word matches the sentence best of all. Let's do the first sentence together. The sentence is, my favorite in The Simpsons is Bart. The Simpsons is the cartoon, and Bart is the character in this cartoon. So I understand that the word is character. My favorite character in The Simpsons is Bart. Now you have 1 minute to do the following sentences. Now let's check your answers. Sentence number 2. I want to change channels. Where is the remote control? I want to change channels. Good. Sentence number 3. It is the last episode of my favorite program tonight. Sentence number 4. Some of the adverts on television are more interesting than the programs. Sentence number 5. Many homes have flat-screen televisions these days. Sentence number 6. Dr. House is the most popular medical drama series on television. And now let's do the quiz. I want you to read the questions and choose the best answer. Question number 1. The biggest TV audiences in Kyrgyzstan last year were for A. Sports programs, B. Talk shows, C. News programs. Question number 2. The most popular TV channel in Kyrgyzstan last year was A. Channel 1 ORT, B. OTRK, and C. KTRK Music. What is your choice? Question number 3. For a long time, Tom and Jerry were the most popular comedy characters in the world. When was the first episode of Tom and Jerry on TV? Your choices: A. 1930, B. 1940, C. 1960. Question number 4. There was a historic TV broadcast in 1969. Why was it special? Answer A. It was the first TV broadcast. B. It was from the moon. C. It wasn't silent. Question number 5. When was the first advert on TV and what was it for? A. 1901, a bicycle. B. 1981, a toy? C. 1941, a watch? Question number 6. Which invention was popular with TV viewers in 1950? Answer A. The first flat-screen televisions. B. First TV cameras. C. The first remote controls. Question 7. The singing competition The Voice was on TV for the first time in 2010 in the Netherlands. Why was it popular? A. The participants weren't famous singers. B. The viewers could choose the songs. Or C. The presenter was very famous. And the last question, question number 8. Asman, one of the Kyrgyzstan's most popular TV shows, is A. Chat show, B. Drama, or C. Talent show. Now you have 1 minute to decide your choice. Okay, I'm sure that you are ready with your answers. Let's listen and check your answers.
TV quiz. Let's do this TV quiz. It looks easy.
What do you think the answer to question 1 is? I think it's A, sports programmes.
I'm not sure. News programmes are very popular too. What about 2? What's the most popular channel in Kyrgyzstan these days? In my opinion, it's Channel 1.
I don't agree. I think the answer is B. Now, question 3. When was the first episode of Tom and Jerry? I think the answer is C, in 1960.
I don't think so. Tom and Jerry is quite old. I think it's A, in 1930. Now, question 4. That's easy. Before 1969, TV was silent. The answer is C.
I agree with you. What about question 5? When was the first advert on TV? Oh, I don't know. Was it in 1901?
There wasn't any TV in 1901. In my opinion, it's C, in 1941. And it was for a watch. Now question 6. That's easy. The answer is C, the first remote controls.
Yes, I think so too. Now 7. Why was The Voice popular?
I'm not sure. Maybe because the viewers could choose the songs?
No. The participants choose the songs for the blind auditions and the coaches choose the songs for the battle rounds. It's A, because the participants weren't famous. Now, the last one. What type of show is Asman?
That's easy. It's a talent show. Everyone knows that.
OK, let's check the answers. 1 is C, news programmes. You were right. 2 is B, OTRK. I was right. Now 3. Wrong. The first episode of Tom and Jerry was in 1940.
We were wrong for question 4 too. The broadcast was from the moon. So the correct answer is B. What's the answer to question 5?
It's C. The first advert was in 1941 and it was for a watch. You were right. The answer to 6 is C. Remote controls. We were right.
And 7 is A, so you were right.
And 8 is C, of course. You were right. Oh, we got 6 right answers. That's not bad.
Good job, guys. I'm sure that you did everything right. Let's continue. Now it's time to practice. You remember? We will learn also key phrases to compare opinions. So, you can see key phrases to compare opinions on the screen. But, unfortunately, they are not complete. Your task is complete the key phrases with the words in the box. You have 1 minute. Now, let's listen to the first part of the conversation again and check your answers.
TV quiz. Let's do this TV quiz. It looks easy.
What do you think the answer to question 1 is? I think it's A, sports programmes.
I'm not sure. News programmes are very popular too. What about 2? What's the most popular channel in Kyrgyzstan these days? In my opinion, it's Channel 1.
I don't agree. I think the answer is B. Now, question 3. When was the first episode of Tom and Jerry? I think the answer is C, in 1960.
I don't think so. Tom and Jerry is quite old. I think it's A, in 1930. Now, question 4. That's easy. Before 1969, TV was silent. The answer is C.
I agree with you. What about question 5? When was the first advert on TV? Oh, I don't know. Was it in 1901?
There wasn't any TV in 1901. In my opinion, it's C, in 1941. And it was for a watch. Now question 6. That's easy. The answer is C, the first remote controls.
Yes, I think so too.
Excellent. I'm sure that you have done everything right and you have enough phrases to compare opinions with your friends, classmates, and teachers. You can see key phrases on the screen. They are, in my opinion, I think, I agree with you, I don't agree, I think so too, I am not sure, I don't think so. I want you now to use these key phrases to discuss and compare your opinions about the following topics: about the best channel, about the best show, the best presenter, the best advert, the worst presenter, the funniest character, the most boring program, or the channel with the most adverts. You can compare your opinions with your parents or friends or somebody from your home or with your classmates and teachers. You can do it the following way. You can say, in my opinion, the best channel is Channel 1. If you don't agree, you can say, I don't agree with you. I think OTRK is the best. That is all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you!